What do you say, boy? Time for another video? Let's get it. Come on. Yes, sir. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the place to be, the Oasis at Camp Big Boss ENT. Y'all see the box? It's that time again. Check it out. New packaging from Pitviper. This one's pretty dope. Fuck all that. Let's get into it. Come on. You know why we're here. New drop. You guys get their emails. Got it as soon as it landed. Look at this. Okay, another 2000s. By the way, yeah, nothing in the box. But this, the sunglasses from the future. Pitviper 2000. This is that color. If you got the email, probably what was it, Friday? Cosmos. That's what this one is called. Let's just look at the packaging real quick. They actually sealed it. Z87 rated safety glasses, so y'all can look pretty cool over there in shot. You know, better than ever, the 2000s. Next gen 64-bit hands-free sunglasses. Let's open it up. You know what? Actually, we didn't even get stickers this time. Pitviper, come on, baby. You'll be slipping on me. Okay. The 2000s. I don't know what you call that, the cloth case with the little handle, and then after fanny pack, velcroed closed. Got our instruction manual, 4 times the pleasurization. There's that. We have our Pitviper 2000 microfiber bag. Look at things in there. Let's see. Yeah, and that is all. That is all. Nice soft on the inside. Keep your glasses clean. Before we get at that, there is one more thing inside this bag. Some little pieces you can hang out the side of the glasses right there. I'll never do nothing with that anyways. But yes, smoked out black lens, black frame with the, I'd just say that's a solid yellow, almost close to neon yellow. But I'd say that's maybe a true yellow. Color scheme right there. You know how the arms work. That's in, out. We always pulled it all the way out for me. You got the different positions. Ooh, these ones ratchet real good too. Y'all hear that? Yep. Z87 rating. Let's try these guys out. Can it be any better than that? Can't get any better than that. Y'all like what we're doing over here? Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next time on Channel Big Boss, baby.